In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone's house on Google Maps. We'll keep this practical and respectful, only look up locations you're authorized to view, such as your own address, a place you're visiting with permission, or an address that was shared with you for legitimate reasons. With that in mind, let's walk through how to accurately locate a house in Google Maps. Start by opening Google Maps. You can use a web browser at maps.google.com on a computer, or the Google Maps app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the map, tiles and imagery load smoothly. If you're on mobile, allow location services if you want the map to center around where you are, but that's optional for this process. Next, enter the complete address if you have it. Type it into the search bar exactly as it appears, including the street number, street name, city, region and postal code. As you type, Google will suggest matches. Pick the one that best fits the full address. If there are multiple similar results, choose the option with the correct city and postal code to avoid landing in the wrong neighborhood. Now press enter on your keyboard or tap the search icon on mobile. Google Maps will process the query and move the map to the location that matches the address. Give it a second to load fully so the details and imagery are up to date. You should see a pin dropped directly on or near the house. The red pin marks Google's best match for that street address, and a small information panel will appear with the address details. If the pin seems slightly offset, don't worry. The next steps help you visually confirm what you're seeing. Use zoom controls to explore the area. On desktop, you can scroll your mouse wheel or click the plus and minus buttons. On a phone, pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in and out. Zooming in helps you check the building footprint, nearby intersections, and landmarks, which is especially useful when addresses are close together. For visual confirmation, switch to satellite or street view. On desktop, click the layers button and choose satellite to see aerial imagery. To enter street view, drag the little pegment icon onto a blue highlighted road near the pin. On mobile, tap the photo thumbnail or street view preview when available. In street view, use the arrows to look around and confirm details like the facade, driveway and surrounding landmarks. When you're done, exit street view to return to the map. That's it. Open Maps, enter the full address, search, confirm the pin, zoom for context, and use satellite or street view for clarity. Use this responsibly and you'll quickly and accurately find the location you're looking for.